Hello people! Today we are making massive steak sandwich and we started by salting and peppering these beef sirloin steaks. Lots of salt, lots of pepper. That's what we need. We're gonna make some yogurt sauce also for this steak sandwich and some veggies, and it's going to be delicious and big. So here are our steaks, and next we head to the frying pan to make them just perfect. So let's get this thing going on. A little canola oil for the steaks. We can chop these veggies. After we have made those steaks, we will fry these sweet paprikas, sweet peppers, what are those, and some green chili. Then we need some onion. Let's put our steaks in there. And after a while we will flip them and give some butter and thyme and garlic. Let's stop this. A little more butter. Then this garlic, giving some flavor, and a little thyme. Look at how I made some incredible knot using this thyme itself. So then let's take a spoon, roll those garlics and thyme a little bit on butter. Then let's drown these steaks in this delicious garlic, thyme, butter. I'm getting so hungry, and this smells incredibly good. And this garlic and thyme mix gives just a good flavor to the steak. Of course the pepper and salt, they also give amazing flavors on this. I like the way it tastes when you use this combo. By the way, tell me in the comments, what is your favorite beef steak? This is beef sirloin steak and I like it a lot. Entrecôte, so I mean ribeye steak, is also so juicy and fantastic. But tell me in the comments, what is your favorite steak? Part of the beef. If you don't want to tell it, don't tell it. But if you want to tell it, tell it. It's your choice. Yes, and these are ready to go to the foil now. They will stay there resting for a while. And meanwhile, we're gonna use this delicious thing, sauce, oil, butter mix with our veggies. Vegetables that we are going to put in that steak sandwich. This way. So these will fry a little bit here, and meanwhile we will take our bread and cut it. Right, moist it with some oil. Actually, we can put some oil there also. And we'll be using only salt and black pepper for seasoning for this whole steak sandwich, because we will be getting very good flavors from these vegetables. We will be making garlic yogurt sauce, and then put some squeezed lemon on the sandwich and arugula. And with the steak we used also garlic and thyme. So not too much seasoning with fried spices, but still we have good amount of different flavors to make a perfect steak sandwich. So these breads are going to the oven now for a little while to warm up. This will be massive. We make some delicious garlic yogurt sauce. Some grated garlic there with the yogurt. Lots of garlic. So these are ready now. Whoa, they are running away. And I dropped one sweet paprika. Then we add just a little bit of water to get those flavors off. Let's add some olive oil in our yogurt sauce. A little mix. We don't need any salt or other seasoning for this, because this is supposed to be pretty mild, opposite to the steak and vegetable flavors. But we will put some of this. Is this a stock juice or what is? I don't know. A little bit here to make it more running, juicy, moist. And this we will be using still into the sandwich. Yes, just good. Let this boil for a while. And soon we are ready. Let's put this there. So that's about it. Now we are heading back to the table. So here we are. We got our steaks and everything ready. Look at these bad boys. We will make long slices here. Yeah, I think I overcooked it a little. It was meant to be a little more red, but this is good and moist meat still. It's perfect for our sandwich. So let's continue, and now we will build this beauty. On the bottom, this garlic yogurt sauce. This will be balancing the taste. This is quite mild but full of garlic flavors. Then we put some tomato slices in it. One arugula. Okay, let's put more of this arugula here. Like that. Then these beautiful beef sirloin steaks, or steak slices, what do you want to call these? I don't know, I just want to eat these. Oh, look at that, so delicious. Then we moist it a little bit with this stock juice what we made. I don't know, I have to check from Google's translator or something what is this called in English, but it doesn't matter, it will make our steak sandwich super moist. Then we add our vegetables. I'm gonna need a friend, someone who is coming to eat this with me, because it's so big. But hey, it was supposed to be massive. Then we squeeze some lemon in it. Get some acid and freshness there. Like that. Let's take the seed away. And at this point we take one bite of beef. And a little bit of this yogurt sauce still here on top. Oh my, this is going to be pretty fantastic. We will put this here on top of it, but first I want to remind you that if you like what I'm doing, you should subscribe to my channel, because we will be doing this in future also. And if there's some specific food, some dish you would like me to make, tell me in the comments. Maybe one day we'll be watching video about your request. But now, back to business. Here is our sandwich. Yes, a little bit closer look. And now let's take a little cut from the middle. It tried to fight back. And then this is what we get. It's pretty moist. And now we have to taste it. I'm all over this yogurt sauce. But this is freaking delicious. Yes, this is absolutely fantastic. Maybe a little less of this yogurt sauce because it's all over the place. But in the end, my main goal was to make this super moist and flavorful. So I think we made it quite good. Thank you for joining me. Maybe we'll see in next video whatever we are cooking on there. So thank you. I got nothing more to say, but bye 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 bye.